my dog, Sam. Say hi, Sam. He nods his head in approval.
Ask him a question.
Sam, do you like carrots? Well, now he wants a carrot, so I'll go have to give him to him.
Well, film it. Oh, did you stop it already?
No. Okay, Sam, let's go get a carrot. Jeez, you're hard to film. You're so wiggly, Sam. Can you get the carrot, Mom?
Okay.
Thank you.
Down.
See, he's a good boy. Until he sees the carrot. Yeah, he's dancing for the carrot.
Wow, that was the longest he ever did.
Okay, that was a short video of my dog, Sam. See you, everybody.